hard. Yeah, that sounded. God. So yeah, I go on with the IHI turbo, blood clot. I need to check what if it's an IHI or if it's a Garrett, you know. It don't feel like a Garrett. Bombo clot. Oh, stopped in time, boy. Come no, box that. Indicate you fucking. Yo.
What's the postcode?
NW10 0TL.
How far you up?
I look at say that. To me, I'm 9.1 miles away from it. Literally, right now.
Are you in a convoy?
Huh? 1 minute. Say that again, bro.
Are you in a convoy? I can hear bare cars.
No, just my car. Yeah, you hear that? Oh my God, that.
Man, even now with it, but the next postcode and the whole sending it to me still, so.
Yeah, just let me know. I'm gonna come. I'm just coming closer to the end so I can link you in it either way.
Say no. I'll be in like 20 minutes now.
Yeah. I'm gonna call you when are you going to that? Which location you go to now?
NW10, I'm gonna make my way towards them. I know what will happen. I'll get like 20 minutes from where you are, and then the next location will be like towards me.
Alright, cool. Yeah. Cool. Alright, in a bit, bro. Cool. Shit one. I think the exhaust is a bit hot, too hot. And no sun coming out. I need to get the Brembo brakes though, it'll stop better rather than grabbing. So sometimes it grabs. And you see that when I brake, you feel like it's like it's really like I'll show you. No, I don't want to show you, but see if I'm braking harsh, it feels like it's like it's. You see the Brembo brakes now. I'll go like that and it'll be a bit more. It's just if I get the Brembo, I'll use way less braking force. You see that when I'm blowing off, yeah? You see when I'm blowing off, for example. You see when I'm stopping now, yeah? It's like when I'm blowing and I'm grabbing. You see when the hazard lights are coming on and it's like the brakes are grab. Yeah. If I had the Brembo brakes, it'd be less that. I popped it on him. like this little exhaust, bro. It looks stock, but it doesn't look one thing. Pop, 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 pop.
Feel it though.
It's got a little YouTube. I'm gonna pause it though. No, they're moving mad still. Right, so you got the P6. I remember that thing, couple peds and that, right? You nearly wrapped it. Right, I remember my thing like that, right. The NMAX, you got the biker boys and everything. The camera will pick it up. Hey, DTI, that's low to the floor. Yo. Well gone.
What, feel like the same place?
The new location, feds or something like that.
Say again?
New location to the feds.
Oh, what? Oh yeah, calm. Where is it?
SL30AA, that's in Slough. The fuck? If it's gonna
I'm in like fucking...
It keeps changing though.
I know, but I know once it gets to Slough, I know straight from Slough, that's probably gonna go to the city.
No, where you there?
Hold on, let me see, because I just got the location. SL30AA. Got fire.
Seeing a couple cars still.
SL.
Your car then when you come out here you'll be like, no, man needs that. Car enthusiast is a dangerous place, you know.